Hi, it's Connecticut car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here. I'm a member of the Multi-Million Dollar Advocates Forum, one of only 20 attorneys in Connecticut who can claim such an honor. So I'm here to talk to you today about, much smaller cases than multi-million dollar cases. I'm here to talk to you about when you don't need a Connecticut car accident lawyer. And this question comes up a lot. Do I need a lawyer? Do I need assistance? And the reason why you wouldn't need a personal injury lawyer is if you're not hurt. Sometimes there are minor car accidents and there's really no pain. Sometimes people don't get hurt, and if you're not hurt, you don't need a personal injury lawyer. What personal injury lawyers do is we represent those who have been injured. Now, when I say this, it's really important to know that sometimes injuries can take a long time to manifest, or sometimes initially after the accident you feel fine. I know when I had a car accident, I told the police officer I don't need an ambulance, I don't need to go to the hospital, yet 5 hours later I was in such immense pain that I was in an emergency room because my neck and back hurt so much. So there can be some delayed response. But generally, what I always like to tell folks is, if you're hurt, what has to happen is you have to treat to get better. And the only way we're going to know the severity of your treatment or the severity of your injury is through the treatment. So if you're not getting better, if you're not responding to conservative care, maybe that there's something significant. And I always like to tell folks, look, if you're walking along and you bump your elbow against a door frame, it's going to hurt right away. It might hurt the next day or the day after, but a week goes by and you've forgotten about it. But pain that keeps you up, pain that keeps you taking medicine, pain that is so intense that maybe you have to change your position. All of that you should get evaluated. And if you're experiencing those things, you should strongly consider hiring a personal injury attorney who handles these kinds of cases, because what they can do is they can protect your claim. And look, if it's small, that's great. That means you're not that hurt. But if it is a much more significant claim, all of the steps have been taken all along to protect your interest if there's some long-term permanent injury that has occurred. And having done this for years and years and years, I can tell you that only time will tell. So if you have any questions, if you've been in a car accident, you can give me a call, 860-471-8333. Our phones are answered 24/7. We're here to help.